Welcome to this jewellery design class inside of ZBrush. Now during this class we'll be producing 5 rings, 1 pendant and 1 bracelet. Now contrary to what people say, ZBrush can accurately measure wall thicknesses and diameters of anything that you create inside of ZBrush. It's just knowing how it works. During this course we'll explore measurements in particular. This is one of the main features to make sure you understand how to measure, export your files, and we'll be uploading these OBJs to Shapeways to show you that they actually all go into Shapeways quite easily and you can get them 3D printed. This will be our baseline test to make sure we don't have any errors in the upload of our files. Now also we'll be showing you how to actually decimate the model down to get it under a certain amount of poly counts, and also troubleshooting any errors that you might have. Now also watch in the course descriptions because I'll be giving handy links to tools that can help you and references. So if you're a jewelry designer or you just want to design your own piece inside of ZBrush, then this is the course for you. Take this jewelry design course inside of ZBrush 2018.